Some of my friends, well wishers, are requested to do videos on basic mathematics, especially on high school mathematics. So I choose this session to explain some basic concepts of mathematics. For that reason, I select 7th class mathematics, right? From chapter 1 onwards, I will explain. This is 7th class, chapter 1, mathematics, about the integers, right? Friends, now I will explain before I am solving the exercise problem what is integers. Integers are the natural numbers or whole numbers. They should not have any decimal point in between them, right? Not like that. So these are the whole numbers such as minus 5, 5, 6, and 243, minus 10, minus 9, like that. So the integers are the whole numbers that may be positive numbers or negative numbers. Generally, integers are represented by the letter, English letter, capital Z, right? Mathematics లో క్యాపిటల్ జెడ్లో ఇంటీజర్స్ని చూపిస్తారండి, రైట్? ద రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీజర్స్, రైట్? సో ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడి వరకు ఉంటాయి ఇంటీజర్స్ అంటే మైనస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ టు ప్లస్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. So let us consider, first of all, we are going to be consider the number line. Suppose we are going to be consider the number line, the integers are like that. So whenever we learn the numbers, we are using the number line. So in the number line, the neutral point is 0. 0 is not a positive number, as well as 0 not a negative number. So uh, we are representing the positive numbers on the right side of the number line, that is 1, 2, 3, and so on, and this one is the infinity or simply plus infinity. That means we go on right side from 0 to on right side of the number line, the values are increasing. Values of the numbers increasing. ఉండు కొద్దీ విలువలు పెరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. సపోజ్ ఆన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద జీరో ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ద నెగిటివ్ నంబర్స్, దట్ ఈస్ -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. We go to minus infinity. So we are going to be call them as a negative numbers. Negative numbers. So we are to represent the negative numbers, we are using the minus sign before them, right? So these are the negative numbers which are on the left side of the zero. When we go from 0 to the left side, the values are decreasing. Values decreasing. These are the positive numbers which are on the right side of the number line. This is a small introduction about the integers, right? So how we are going to be find out big one and small one means, suppose -1 negative numbers are always, that means I am going to write not -1, minus negative numbers always less than the value than the positive numbers. That means negative numbers less than smaller one than 0 than positive numbers. We are going to be represent like that. That means uh, that is one example is, that is -1 is lesser value than 0, and 0 has lesser value than +1. Right, friends? We are going to be represent like that. Now I straightly go to the exercise to solve some problems. So the first one, the first question. some integers are marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So friends, here itself I am going to be solve this problem. Right? We know that 0 is not a positive or the negative. We are going to be call it as a 0 is a neutral one. From we go from 0 to the left side, the values are decreasing, and from 0 to right side, the values are increasing. సున్నా నుంచి నంబర్ లైన్ మీద ఎడమవైపుకి వెళ్ళే కొద్దీ విలువలు తగ్గుతాయి. సున్నా నుంచి నెంబర్ లైన్ మీద కుడివైపు వెళ్ళే కొద్దీ విలువలు పెరుగుతాయి. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రౌండ్ చేసిన నెంబర్లో -3 అనేది చిన్నది అండ్ 2 అనేది పెద్దది. హౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రిప్రజెంటింగ్ మీన్స్ ఐ రైట్ హియర్ -3 ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 2. నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా పాజిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ కన్నా విలువ తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా సున్నాకి ఎడం వైపు ఉంటాయి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది ఆన్సర్. రైట్? ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఐ హోప్ యు ఆర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్. I go to the next question. Write the integers between the pair of integers given below and also choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. So, to represent the pair of write integers between these pair of integers, they are giving this question. I will try to copy this one. Sorry, it is a little bit problem. I will try to copy, right? So pair of integers రాయమన్నారు. So I will take the one more document. So let us consider this is in second question. This is the first concept. Right? We will consider the number line, and on number line this is the 0, and we check which one. The first one is -5 and -10. So they are giving 2 1 -5 comma -10, right? So this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, and somewhere this is -5 and -6, and we go on this 7, right? And this is -7, -8, right? And here -9 and -10 is here. So -5, the values between the -10 and -5 we are going to be right. Suppose that is we are also including -10 also, -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, and -5. So friends, we are also know that 0, we go from 0 to left side, values are decreasing. So here the smallest value is -10, and largest value or big value or greatest value is -5, right? -5 0 దగ్గరగా ఉంది, right? దీని విలువ -10 కన్నా ఎక్కువ. The value of -5 is greater than -10. That means -10 less than -5, right? Okay friends, you can understand. Right, I will clear this one. I will go to the next question, that is second part of the second part of the second question, right? What they are giving, right? And 3 and -2, right? So uh, the right part is the positive numbers. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. We know that these are the positive numbers, and the left side part is the negative numbers, right? They are giving the question is 3 and -2, right? This is -1, this is -2. The numbers between 3 and -2, including -2 and 3, is వాటిని కూడా కలుపుకొని -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Friends, we can observe, because -2 is less than -1, -1 less than 0, 0 less than 1, 1 less than 2, 2 less than 3. So here the smallest number is -2, and the biggest number is is 3 among the minus 2 and 3. That is minus 2 is less than minus 3. Okay, friends, I hope you can understand. I clear this one and I will go to the next uh, the next question, right, to answer, right. So the third uh, minus 8 comma 5, right. So this is the third one in 3 minus 8 comma 5. So 0 కి left side negative numbers ఉంటాయి మనకు తెలుసు, we know that. Right side there are the positive numbers. So this is minus 1 and minus 2 like that. At somewhere else here the minus 8 is there and 5 positive number 1 is there, 2 is there and so on. Somewhere else 5 is there, right. We are going to be write all the integers between the minus 8 and 5 including these numbers, that is minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that, friends, the minus 8 is very, very less than plus 5, right? So here the smaller number is, the smaller one is minus 8 and larger or bigger one, larger one is 5. Okay, friends, I hope you can understand this one also. I clear this one and right, I clear this one. I go to answer the next question. What is the next question? That third question. Write the following integers in ascending order. Right. The first one is the uh, minus 5, 2 in 1 and 8. Right. If possible, I will check it. Right. I will copy this one. Right. Right. This is not the first actually. This is the third question. Right. And this one, this is the first one. Ascending order. Right. What do you mean by the ascending order? First we write the small one, right? Then big one, and then bigger one, and then larger one. So small values to bigger values when you go from left to right. సో ఎడమ నుంచి కుడికి వెళ్ళేసరికి వాల్యూస్ పెరుగుతూ ఉండాలి. దిస్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ద అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. అంటే 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ because value of 2 is less than 1, greater than 1, and sorry, value of 2 is less than 3, and value of 4 is greater than 3, value 5 is greater than 4, value of 6 is greater than 5, right. From we move from left to right, the values to be increased. This is known as ascending order, right. The first question that we are going to be consider minus 5, 2, 1, 8. Again we are going to be use the number line for ease of solving the ascending order, and this is the neutral point, and minus 8 is somewhere else, and minus 5 is somewhere else because this is minus 1, minus 2 and like that, and 1 is here and 2 is here. So we can write in a particular order, right? తక్కువ నుంచి ఎక్కువకి వెళ్ళాలి, small to large, minus 5, minus 8, minus 5, plus 1 and plus 2 given numbers. That means minus 8 is less than, minus 5 is less than, 1 less than 2. So this is the ascending order, right. Okay, friends, I clear and solve the next one, and solve the next one writing in a ascending order, that is minus 4, minus 3, minus 5 and 2. So again we consider the number line. This is the neutral 0, the right side positive, that is 1 and that is 2. So this is the negative side. This is -1. This is -2. This is -3. Values are decreasing. This is -4 and this is -5. So the smallest value is -5. So -5 and some bigger value than -5 is -4. Some bigger value than -4 is -3, and here they are giving no other values, and come to the bigger value is here only the positive 2 plus 2, the 2. This is ascending order. That means we can write it as -5 less than -4 less than -3 less than 2. Right? Simply this is the ascending order. Okay friends, I clear this one, and to solve the next item, right? Sorry, uh, everything is cleared. I will get it. Okay, the third one, right? The only the negative numbers. So here we can observe that the highest negative value, the highest magnitude of the negative value is the least number, least value actually, right? So this is the highest magnitude of the negative number, right? So -15 is somewhere else, and -10 is here, and -7 is here. So we know that the -15 is the lowest value and -7 is the highest value. The numbers given to us, మనకి ఇచ్చిన వాటిలో ఎడం చేతి వైపుకి 0 నుంచి ఎడం చేతి వైపుకి వెళ్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఉండు కొద్దీ వాల్యూస్ తగ్గుతాయి కాబట్టి -15 అన్నిటికన్నా చాలా చిన్నది, -7 అన్నిటికన్నా పెద్దది. సో -15, -10 and -7. This is in the ascending order. That is -15 less than -10 less than -7. Okay friends, this is the answer for the third question. I clear everything. I hope you are understanding. I go to the next question, right? So I will fourth one. Write the following integers in descending order, right? How we are going to write the integers on, sorry, in descending order means, right, it is not for. So what is the descending order? So small to, sorry, big to small. So when on we go from left to right, right, ఎడమ నుంచి కుడికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ముందు కొద్ది వాల్యూస్ తగ్గాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ ఐ am going to be big, small, smaller and least value. ఉండు కొద్ది విలువలు తగ్గితే దాన్ని డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 10, 7, 10 కన్నా 7 చిన్నది, 10 is greater, అండ్ 7 కన్నా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 చిన్నది, 7 is greater, 5 కన్నా -1 చిన్నది, -1 కన్నా -5 ఇంకా చిన్నది. ఇలా ఉండు కొద్ది వాల్యూస్ తగ్గుతున్నాయి. -5 కన్నా -17 ఇంకా చిన్నది. వాల్యూస్ తగ్గుతూ ఉంటే దాన్ని డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటాం, రైట్? I will go to the first question, -2, -3 and -5. So the given values -2, -3 and -5. So nothing to be worry. Suppose we are going to observe the number line. This is the neutral, and from on number line we go left side, the values are decreasing. So here -2, -3, -4 and -5 actually. Kabatti -2 is bigger one, right? -3 is smaller one than -2, right? And -5 is very very smaller one than -5. So -2 greater than -3, -3 greater than -5. The given series -2, -3 and -5 is already in descending order. Okay friends, I will clear and solve the next one, right? Please wait to clear this one in descending order. The next one is minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. So given number minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. We know that the same one, right? The minus 8 is very less, right? So first we can write the bigger number. Minus 1 is bigger, right? Then minus 2 is bigger than minus 8. So minus 1 comma minus 2, right, comma minus 8. This is the descending order of the given numbers. Right friends, I will clear and go to the solve the next one. Right, 5 8 minus 2. So the next one given as the 5 8 minus 2. So here friends we can observe, right, this is the neutral, this is the positive numbers, and these are the negative numbers. Here there are the two positive numbers and one negative number. We already says that the negative numbers has always less value than the positive numbers. But we are writing a decreasing order. So, and we consider the positive numbers. The 8 is big than 5. So 8 is first and lesser number 5 and lesser number minus 2. Where go on to the left to right, the values are decreasing. That means 8 greater than 5 greater than minus 2. So this is the descending order of the given numbers. Okay friends, I will clear this one and to solve the next problem. Right? The next one is represent 6 minus 404 on number line. 6 minus 404. Right? 6 minus 404 on a number line. Okay friends, let us consider this is the number line and this is the neutral. So we are already represent 0. On right side of the 0 there are positive. This is 1 plus 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Plus 4 or 4. We are representing 0 and plus 4 here. Right? And this is 5. And this is 6. So we represent this one, the positive number, and this one. And also we represent the neutral number 0 on the number line, minus 4. We know that the right side of the 0 are the negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. The minus 4 is very less, right, than the remaining values. Suppose we are arranging, 6 minus 4, 0, 4 on an ascending order. The first of all, smaller one, 0 plus 4 and 6. This is the ascending order, right? Ascending. Suppose we write from bigger to smaller, that is 6, 4, 0, minus 4. This is the descending. This is the descending order. Okay, friends. I hope you can understand, right? I will clear this one and go to solve the next problem, right? The next problem is fill the blanks on the number line, right? So he is giving some number line, that is, I hope I will write, copy this one and I will keep here. Oh, sorry, it is not copied. So otherwise I will solve the same. So friends, we can observe there are positive numbers on right side of the 0. Hence, the next point on right side, first of all, I fill positive numbers 1. This point is 2. This point is 3. So, this point is already filled in the textbook. That is 4. The next point is the number values are increasing. 5. Right? We move on the right side. The values are increasing. The next value is 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right? This is 9. We know that these are the negative numbers. We go to the left side from 0. The next point is -1 and -2. Gradually the values are decreasing. -3 and this point is -4. -5 is already filled by the textbook. -6, -7, -8. This point is -8. Okay, friends. Here the numbers are from -9 to +9, and we know that -9 is less than +9. Right, friends? Um, I will answer the next question. Right here, they are giving something. Right, I will clear this one. Sorry. Right, right. So on the number line, he is giving some of the cities and their temperatures. So uh, some of the cities on the right side of the 0. So these are the hot because the values of the temperature is gradually increasing. So on the rightmost side, these are the hot cities. Here the values are gradually decreasing. That means temperature is decreasing. These are the coolest cities. He is giving some Kasuli, Manali, and Nainital are noting the temperature below the 0. That means these are the cool cities. And Ooty and Bangalore are record the positive temperature. That means somewhat hot. So I can answer the first question. Write the temperature of the cities marked on it. So first of all, I am writing the positive temperature. Right, Ooty. Ooty is 15 degrees. Right, that is somewhat hot. And Bangalore is 20 degrees. So out of these cities, actually the Bangalore is temperature very high and it is very hot. And we go to the negative side. That means left side of the 0, right? And this point we know -1. This is -2 and this is -3. Then Nainital temperature is -3 and -4, -5. This is -6. This is -7. And Manali temperature is -7 degrees and Nainital -3 degrees, like that. And the final one is the Kasuli. Kasuli, it is just before the right hand side of the -10. That is, this is the -9, right? So here, the answer for the first question, the coldest city is Kasuli, right? This is the very cool, and the Bangalore, this is the hottest city. Just I will give it. So which has the highest temperature? So here we answer that the highest positive number is the hot one. So the Bangalore has the hottest city because Bangalore temperature is 20 degrees. Right. This is the answer for the second question. Right. And which has the lowest temperature? Right. Answer for the third question. So the lowest temperature is the lowest value. The lowest values are represented with negative numbers, right? So here this is Kasuli. Kasuli has the -9 degrees. Kasuli is -9 degrees of temperature. And I am answered the fourth one. The city's temperature less than 0. That means the less than 0 values are the on left side of the number line to the 0. That is, there are the three cities. One is the Kasuli, that is -9 degrees, and Manali, that is -7 degrees, and Nainital, that is -3 degrees. These three are left side of the 0. That means less than 0 degrees, and minus 9 is less than, minus 7 is less than, minus 3. Okay, friends, this one. I will answer the last question. Name the temperature of the cities more than 0. We can observe more than 0 means those are on the right side of the number line. There are the two cities, right? One is the Ooty, whose temperature is 15 degrees. Another one is Bangalore, whose temperature is 20 degrees. So, and we compare this one. Ooty temperature 15 degrees is less than Bangalore temperature 20. So, Ooty is less than Bangalore in temperature. Okay, friends, I hope you can understand this one, right? Thank you.